Imagine this. Imagine every breath you take, every bite of food, every sip of water, you might be ingesting plastic. Not visible chunks, but microscopic fragments found in oceans, found in soil, found in rain, and now, according to the NBC News, it is found even in our blood and organs. Microplastics are not a distant pollution problem. This is a personal health crisis. They're inside of our food, inside of our air, and disturbingly inside of us. Let's begin with how microplastics are affecting one of the most vital parts of our body, our heart. We often associate pollution with what we can see. Plastic bottles in rivers, plastic bags in the trees, but the most dangerous plastic of all kind is what we can't see. A March 2024 study in the New England Journal of Medicine, they found that microplastics were embedded in the arterial plaque in patients undergoing heart surgery. Those with microplastic in their arteries had 4.5 times higher risk of a heart attack, of a stroke, of death within 2 years. These particles aren't harmless stowaways, no. They're actively threatening our cardiovascular systems. If it wasn't disturbing enough, microplastics don't stop at our arteries. They may be rewriting how our cells function. These microscopic particles may actually be rewriting our biology. Dr. Ji-Young Brian Kim at Stanford Medicine is studying how microplastics affected how microplastics can enter human cells and cause abnormal gene expression. His findings found that microplastics can penetrate these cells and alter gene expression, essentially reprogramming how they function. These changes can accelerate vascular diseases and pose unpredictable long-term health consequences. Even more alarmingly, the research shows that microplastics may affect not just physical health, but our brains. Studies now suggest that they may impact brain health and cognitive function. And exposure is everywhere. According to the 2025 article in psychrec.org, microplastics have been linked to neuroinflammation and behavioral changes in animal studies. And these animal studies have shown how microplastics have caused neuroinflammation and behavioral changes. Early research in humans suggests of similar risks that are seen in the animal studies, including memory issues and mental health problems. Harvard Medical School magazine tells us that we may be consuming up to 121,000 microplastic particles per year through our food, water, and air. are essentials. UNDP blog tells us that microplastics are even found in placentas and umbilical cords, meaning exposure starts from before birth. Let's return to the image I began with. Every breath, every bite, every sip can potentially be laced with plastic. This is not theoretical. It's happening. It's already inside us. Microplastics are a human health emergency, not just an environmental one. Some still say, I feel fine, or we need more proof. But evidence is mounting fast. The real question now isn't if microplastics are harmful, but the real question is now, how long will we wait to act?